Hey there, I'm Alex, and if you're into email marketing and use VS Code to build integrations or backend tools, this tutorial is about to level up your workflow. Imagine you're deep in the code, testing your webhook handler, and you need to check what an actual subscriber sign-up event looks like. Instead of flipping through API docs, you can just ask Copilot to pull the real payload from your MailerLite account. Or maybe you're building out a new feature that syncs segments or campaigns. You can query actual group IDs, field names, or even automation triggers, all without leaving your editor. Let's get you set up. You'll need two things: Visual Studio Code installed on your computer, and the GitHub Copilot extension installed and enabled in VS Code. The good news is Copilot has a free version that works perfectly fine with this integration. And a quick privacy reminder before we get started: when you connect, you're giving GitHub Copilot permission to access your MailerLite data when you ask it to. You stay in complete control of when and what data is accessed. Once you have both VS Code and Copilot ready, the setup is actually surprisingly simple. There's a direct installation link that handles everything, and I'll put that in the description below. When you click it, your browser will show a pop-up asking permission to open VS Code. Click Allow. In the new VS Code window that opens, click the Install button to complete the setup. And that's it. The MailerLite MCP is active and ready to use in VS Code. If VS Code is telling you that it isn't connected, you may need to enable Agent at the bottom of the chat. Once you do, it'll access all of the tools required to complete whichever task you ask of it. Time to make sure it's working. In VS Code, open Copilot chat and try asking something like, how many subscribers do I have in MailerLite? If you get your actual subscriber count, you're golden. And then maybe you want to try something a little bit more complex, like show me the trigger event and status for my welcome series automation. Having MailerLite connected to VS Code means you can manage your email marketing without context switching. Need to check if an email address is already subscribed while building a sign-up flow? Just ask. Debugging webhook integrations? Ask Copilot to show you your recent automation triggers and see what's actually happening with your data. The real power comes when you're building integrations. Instead of constantly checking documentation or logging into MailerLite to verify field names, you can query your actual account data right where you're coding. Look, I know what you're thinking. Alex, do I really need my email marketing data in my code editor? And honestly, once you try asking Copilot to analyze your campaign performance while you're updating your marketing site, or quickly checking subscriber segments while building user flows, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And speaking of how you ever lived without things, about 90% of you are watching this without subscribing. And if you're one of them, and you just can't live without your MailerLite tutorials, then this is your sign. Just hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss more ways to connect your tools and automate your workflow. And if you're ready to have an AI assistant that knows your actual MailerLite data inside your favorite editor, grab your free MailerLite account from the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.